Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi canal. Acabo de comer. Y bueno, saben. So guys, today I did this pink orange type of situation look. I have like a liner right there, but it really, you guys cannot see it because they're like really hot pink. I think I'm gonna get sick. I don't know why. But like, if you guys want to see how I did this look, you know what you have to do. Just keep on watching. To start off the look, I'm going to be taking this light orange shade and I'm going to be placing it in my inner crease. Now I'm going to be taking this other orange and I'm going to be placing it in the middle crease. Now I'm going to be taking this red orange and I'm going to be placing it in the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going to be taking this hot pink and I'm going to be placing it in the inner part of my eye. That shit is pigmented. Wow, okay. Now I'm going to be taking this cranberry shade and I'm going to be placing it in the middle of my eye. For primer, I'm using the Chica primer, and for foundation, I'm using the Milani Correct and Perfect foundation. For concealer, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. For powder, I'm using the Fit Me loose setting powder in the shade 20. For bronzer, I'm using the Park Avenue Princess bronzer by Tarte Cosmetics. For blush, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Ombre brush in Nude to Me. For the lower lash line, I'm using this orange shade, the same orange shade that I'm using in the middle part of my crease. Hi everyone. see me, Kendall. I'm a cute little baby. Right, mama? Sexual.
For setting spray, I'm using the Wet n Wild setting spray in matte finish. For inner color highlight, I'm using the Colorina Color Pro highlighter palette, the gold one. Now from the brow bone, I'm using this lighter gold shade. And for cheekbone highlight, nose highlight, and the Cupid's bow highlight, I'm using this greenish, I don't know, this color is two-tone, but it's really pretty. For liquid lipstick, I'm using the Crystal Heart Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I did a review on this liquid lipstick a long time ago, so if you guys want to check out the video, I'm linking it down below.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. What you see right here, I'm going to be listing all the products that I use down below. So if you guys want to try this look out, or if you guys want to really like how the eyeshadows look and want to get your hands on these eyeshadows, I got these eyeshadow palettes at Cosmetic Factory. That's a store here in Puerto Rico, and I already did like a first impressions on this look like a long time ago when I bought it. So if you guys want to see that video, I'm going to be linking that video down below, and I'm going to be placing it in the thingies where you put over here, whatever, or over here that says, oh, this video, blah 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 blah, well, those things. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe before you go and like this video, and if you guys want to see more videos of me, then subscribe. Just do that and have the notifications on so you guys don't miss my videos, and that really will help me out. So yeah, I'm going to finish this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next video.